guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a baddie kind of glamorous full beat makeup. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this because I haven't done my baddie makeup in years, guys. So I'm gonna do my routine I used to do like a few years back, and we'll see how it goes. Like, we're gonna transform into a baddie. I mean, we already are a baddie, but like makeup wise. So I'm excited. Before we get into the video, y'all please make sure to like this video, leave me a comment too, and make sure to subscribe, please. Please and thank you. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Mwah. Okay, so first, y'all, I already washed my face and put on moisturizer. I always moisturize before I do my makeup. So I'm gonna put on the screen everything I use, because I'm just gonna do like I'm not gonna talk during this video, so I'll put on the screen everything I use. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna put on some music, y'all put on some music too, and let's do our makeup together. Let's do that. Yeah, we can vibe together. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Y'all, I am obsessed with this look. Literally obsessed, y'all. I haven't put on lashes in like a hot minute. It's been so long since I've worn lashes. I used to get lash extensions, but then I was like kind of like low-key allergic to it, so I just stopped wearing lashes in general. But oh my god, the lip combo, she ate. She looks so freaking cute. Oh my god, y'all, sometimes you just need to do your makeup to feel bad again. Like I feel so cute. I feel like a baddie. Oh my god, I feel like I could conquer the world again, like my hairs did, my makeups did. I feel so freaking cute, y'all. What the hell? All I needed to do was my makeup and put some lashes on and I feel good again. Come on, girl. Y'all see this? Are y'all seeing this makeup? Like, what the fuck? Sometimes I be forgetting I'm a baddie. Yo, the hair and makeup are going hard. Like, I need to go out today now because we can't waste this beat. We can't waste this beat. Y'all, I'm literally obsessed, but sorry, I'm just obsessed. I miss doing makeup, guys. This is so much fun. So this is the final look, guys. I'm really happy with the outcome. I hope y'all liked this video, and hopefully y'all were doing your makeup with me at the same time and just vibing and having a good time, because I was playing some music and I was just having a good time doing my makeup. And yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. This is like my OG baddie makeup. I used to do my makeup like this all the time except like the lips. Fun fact, I never used to wear lips. I used just to wear like lip gloss. I started getting into lipstick and like lining my lips and everything, and I never used to do that, so this is kind of new for me, but I'm loving it. I'm actually loving it so much. Yeah, this is really making me feel like a baddie and fucking cute. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. Comment down below if you use any of the same products I use, or if I should try anything. If you guys recommend anything, let me know, because I love doing makeup and I love trying new makeup. And yeah, just let me know if you like the video. Leave me a comment, and oh yeah, make sure to actually like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys could subscribe to my channel. At 94 subscribers, thank you to all the new people that are subscribing. I am so grateful, and I hope you guys like the videos that I'm making. And if you're new and watching this right now, why aren't you subscribed? Are we beefing? Are you mad at me? Subscribe to my channel right now, please. And thank you. Mwah. But yeah, thank you to everyone that watches my videos and that leaves me a like and subscribes. I am very grateful, and I hope to grow my channel even more. And yeah, I hope to keep making videos. I hope you guys like the videos and the content. So yeah, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful, magical day, and remember to keep shining your light, babes. Don't let anyone ever dim your light. And yeah, bye guys. Mwah. Love you, babes.